Good morning, students. Today, under advanced feature of Excel, the topic which we're going to cover is creating a chart in Excel. So let's proceed. Creating chart in Excel. A simple chart in Excel can say more than a sheet full of numbers. It is displayed along with source data and other information present in a worksheet. Excel offers the features to create an embedded chart in a worksheet. It is displayed along with the source data. An embedded chart is saved with a corresponding worksheet when a workbook is saved. So here we are creating a line chart on our data. So the thing which we have to do is to enter the data in our worksheet. So here we are having few month name and then beer, dolphin and whales. So we just have to enter the data in the worksheet first, and then we have to select the particular range. Here in this case, A1 to D7 is the range on which we have to insert our chart. Step 2. On the Insert tab in the chart group, click the line symbol. So we have to click on Insert tab, have to go on chart group, and in chart group we have to click on line symbol. Click line with markers. So we have to select that particular type in it, because line with marker is used, we use this chart when we want to show the trends over time, year, months and days or categories. And we can also use it when the order of category is important. There are few data points, so we can see the result in front of us, like all the in all the months. The blue line denotes the bears, then orange line denotes dolphins, and gray line denotes whales over here. We can also change the chart title. By default it is chart title, and we can also change it by double clicking on it. We can change the chart title. We can also change the chart type. Now we have inserted a line chart, and now we want to change the line chart into bar chart. So we can do that too. So you can easily change to different type of chart at any time. Step 1, select the chart. Second, on the design tab in the type group, click change chart type. So now we have to go on design tab. We have to click on design tab, and from that we have to select type group. Type we have to select, and then click on change chart type. See, when we click on design tab, from type group, here three groups are there: data, type and location. So from type group we have to select change chart type. When we click on that, we can able to see this kind of window, and on the left side click column. So from the menu we can select, there are number of chart, and from there we can select any of the type, and then we have to click on cluster column and have to click on OK. So we can see the difference, that when we click on OK, we can the line chart get converted into bar chart. And on the top, earlier I told you that we can able to change the chart title. So here we have changed wildlife population. So here blue bar shows bears, orange bar shows dolphins, and gray bar shows whales.